Welcome to another adventure in Cool Case Adventures. Guys, we're excited. We're back here at Universal Studios in a 97-degree weather. And what a better way than to use today's video to help you navigate through this park by simply giving you 11 things that you can do to beat the heat and also stay cool while visiting Universal Florida. So it is gonna be a very hot and interesting video to do, but here we go, guys. So before we move forward in the park, if you happen to be brand new around here, hi, welcome to Cool Case Adventures, where our main mission is to help you have fun over here at Universal Studio or around Disney or any other type of traveling. Consider becoming part of our family by simply subscribing and also
smashing that like button.
If we're sharing any valuable content with your family. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
I'm not, because it's super hot. But anyways, what are we waiting on?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Hit it! I kid you not, I haven't even entered the park yet. Here we are. Look, I don't know if you guys can see my forehead. It is hot as heck today. But we're gonna show you our way, guys, to remain cool while we walk around the park. Because summer has started already. When they tell you it's about mid-90s, add the humidity factor, it will feel more so like 100-something degrees, and it will be miserable. So you're paying a lot of money to be here in the park. You want to get the best out of it. So we're going to definitely help you on this one. How to stay cool. You know what? Stay cool with Cool Case Adventure. So it's not a secret that here in Florida gets hot as heck.
Yes.
But the best thing that Universal has is this. It's called the Coca-Cola Freestyle cup. You could actually buy any souvenir cup. And obviously the prices vary according to the souvenir cup that you buy. But if you buy it for the day off, you get free refill. If you're like us, then you just purchase one for a refill for $11.73. With our AP discount will be $9.99, which is amazing. And this is a good way to stay hydrated, because what we do is that we get Powerade throughout the day, and that helps us to stay hydrated. So that will be number one out of the 11 things that you should do. Hey, I know that we could do refill on sodas and water too, right? But what's one thing that really people should do, especially in the summer?
Icy.
Exactly. So if you didn't know, you could actually come and get an icy. It's included on your free refills. And I tell you what, that's something that all of us like, especially this one. In a weather like today, shoosh, that comes handy right there. And I know we talk about getting refills, but you actually can come over here at these machines, and there you go. You can actually get water. You don't necessarily have to have souvenir cup. You can bring any bottle or any container that you have.
But it's just for water.
Fill it with water. Free.
If you want anything else, you would have to get a cup, or you would have to pay for it.
Exactly.
But water is the only thing that's free.
So, but if you already have this, what we're trying to say is that you don't necessarily have to buy a souvenir cup or a refill. If you want water, you can bring your container, your water, as you can see over there, and refill it here with water. A good way of staying hydrated. The thing that we highly recommend you guys to do is to get yourself a cooling towel. This actually works miracle. It works wonders. Kyla and I tend to get overheated really quick, and she does it every summer, right?
Yes, so I don't get overheated. I mean, I still do.
But not as bad. Actually, it helps. So all that
you gotta make sure you start it early. Not wait till you're overheated to then put it on.
Which is Kyla's mistake.
It's usually her fault.
I don't know what they're talking about.
So anyway, all you have to do is just get regular. You get a wet, you know.
Yeah, it's gotta wet in one of the bathrooms or one of the fountain.
regular tap cold water, and then that's it, and it remains cool for a little while. As it dries off or it gets warmer, then you could go back to the bathroom.
Just keep getting it wet. That way you stay cool the entire
This
time.
is a really good thing, especially if you're gonna be here all day. This is really good.
They do sell in the theme parks here and in Disney. They do sell their own version, but I have seen this. They sell it everywhere. So number 3 in our list will be to just visit these 2 rides. Number 1, Jimmy Fallon. Number 2, MIB. And I'll tell you why. Jimmy Fallon has a really long, somewhat long queue line, right?
Right.
And then they assign you a color.
Right.
And after they assign you the color, what do?
You wait inside.
You wait inside.
Under AC.
On a lounge area, you could actually sit down on the lounge, or they actually have like a TV screen, you know, showing you different things from the show. And
with AC.
With AC, and it's easily a good 10 to 15 minutes that you have to wait until they call your color.
With AC.
With AC. So it is a really, really good way to escape this awful heat. Then the other one will be Men in Black. And why Men in Black?
Because AC.
It has a long queue line.
Oh yes, but AC.
Under a really good AC, and it always feels super cold in there.
It's super cold. You walk in there and you're like, you're cold already.
So
but it has AC.
yeah, and a long queue. Don't forget that. All right, now we're going on to what? Number 4, which is if you happen to have a tribute store open, go for it, because Tribute Store has like about 4 rooms that you could easily walk slowly and take advantage of the
AC.
There you go. If a Tribute Store is not open, just go to any store, hang out over there, because first of all, the merchandise that Universal has is amazing, but not only is amazing, you can find what?
AC.
Exactly our point. So see, and this is what I mean, guys. When you are in a Tribute Store, it is so cold and refreshing over here that you don't need to rush. You could actually hang out here, take your time, and check out all these Easter eggs that they actually have in every single Tribute Store without rushing. And most importantly, while you're enjoying the Tribute Store, what else you're finding here, Kyla?
Merchandise.
And AC.
And AC.
So number 5, which one is it?
Sit down restaurant.
Sit down restaurant. There you go, people. Restaurants like Finnegan's will help you cool down, because this is one of the 2 sit down restaurants here in Universal Studios. And trust me, by the time that you get your food and all that, it gives you a little bit of an hour or so to cool down. And not only sit down restaurant will help, but also restaurants like Louis Restaurant, where you can find pizza and pasta. Quick services restaurant like Richter's Burger, where you can find obviously burgers and chicken sandwich and stuff like that. Just like Finnegan's, you have the second table service Lombard Seafood Grill. And if you're in Diagon Alley, restaurant like the Leaky Cauldron will be great to shelter from this awful heat. Recommendation number 6, that will be what? Going to King Cross. If you have a park-to-park ticket, definitely do King Cross back and forth. And the reason being is because normally this train is somewhere between the 30 up to 70 minutes away, depending how busy we are. But trust me, everything in there will be what?
It has AC.
AC, people. AC. And not for nothing, waiting 65 minutes like it is right now under the AC can actually cool you off. Might not. Doesn't sound bad so far, right?
And inside the train, they have AC.
There you go. Just a quick note.
The train station on this side is AC, has AC. The train station at Island of Adventure does not.
Not all of it.
Not all sections.
Right. Now that we're in Diagon Alley, we're going to what? Number what?
7.
A place that people forget about. Nocturne Alley, people.
You can already feel.
It is amazing to be here. Depending during the day, you can find actually benches and hang out in this area that is completed, not only amazing, but it's also great AC.
Great AC. It's dark. The sun's not hitting on you. It's a a great spot to do something, but hide at the same time.
Item number 8 that you could do. You could actually have 2 choices in here in Diagon Alley. You could take care of being so hot and get yourself an ice cream here at the ice cream parlor,
They
which
have butterbeer ice cream.
is amazing.
So good.
Or the most popular drink, which is what?
Butterbeer.
And you could actually get it at Fountain of Fair Fortune. And FYI guys, this location happens to have like the shorter line. A lot of people end up, yeah, everybody tends to go to the other side and make that long line. A lot of people forget about this location over here having shorter line. And you're under AC. Not only you get a refresher, but the line that you're making is under AC. Thing number 9.
Number 9, rides, just as Green Guns.
Exactly. So rides like Escape from Gringotts will actually help you get out of this heat. And I'm just standing here and I feel the AC from here. For the exception of that Dragon Spinning 5.
And the sun doesn't come, like depending on what time you come in this area, the sun's not like on top of you, so there's a lot of shaded areas in
Diagon Alley.
Diagon Alley.
So keep in mind, like right now, this ride happens to be at 140 minutes. You will be in there for 140 minutes, but just AC, which is not bad during this awful heat. But also rides like The Simpsons, E.T., Transformers, you know, all those rides like that actually will help you get out of the heat for a little bit.
For a little bit.
The Simpsons you go outside for.
The Simpsons, yeah, you will have, once you make it inside, you'll be fine, but riding a ride actually will hide you,
yeah.
pull you off. Family, so what are you watching at home other than Beetlejuice hugging some other girl over there? Is the fact that if you want to stay away from the heat, you got nothing better than to come over here and look at the Horror Maker show, because you can find awesome people like this. I know you. Should we call your name 3 times?
What? What do you say?
Are we calling your name 3 times?
No. Nobody says the B word.
Nobody said the Beetle or the juice?
We don't say it.
We don't say it.
I don't know. He keeps hanging around us.
That's creepy.
He is creepy.
It's just people behind this camera make me say it.
The people behind the camera?
Yeah.
You're the behind the camera.
Yes.
About the other people.
Oh, good. I
See, he's crazy.
Can you tell the other people?
lost it.
Yes.
Can you tell them to subscribe?
Yeah, I'm not talking to your imaginary friends, okay? Okay.
Seriously, like, what's wrong with this? What's wrong?
No, what's his problem?
His problem, I don't know.
I'll let Curly do it.
No.
He doesn't think straight.
Is that your kid?
Yeah, it is.
No. Sorry.
Unfortunately.
Oh,
I-
hey,
I have to
better
claim
luck
it.
next time.
I know, right?
Better luck next time.
Are you
Keep swinging for the fence.
are you taking her with you?
Yeah, is that okay with you?
Yeah, but you need to take the kids.
No. You take the kids, wait in the car.
Oh Jesus. Okay, deal.
I like that idea.
Love you, babe.
Love you, babe.
You not so much.
But I still love you though.
Yeah.
I still love you though.
We can figure it out. See you later.
Kids are still here. They're still here.
They keep following us.
All right, take a hike.
Get out. But anyway, as you guys can see, this is where you get to meet Beetlejuice. But to hide from the heat after you have met Beetlejuice, look at him over there. So after you have met Beetlejuice, you can hide from the heat. Definitely come to a show, Horror Maker show. It's one that we recommend. It's funny.
I love that show.
It lasts about what, 20-25 minutes.
so, yeah.
It is very refreshing because you will be sitting on a theater with AC. And also STUNTACULAR.
Yes.
It is an amazing show. You will not regret it. That's a show that you must come and watch. Another show that will give you 25 to 30 minutes of nothing
Really
but
good one.
action and great AC to escape from this awful heat.
Awful.
You're excited you met Beetlejuice.
I'm
huh?
excited that he was like hanging out with me.
See?
It's awesome.
He always,
Made my day.
Beetlejuice always wants to take you with
I
him.
mean,
He didn't want to tell the people to subscribe. I don't like him anymore.
he said he's not gonna talk to your imaginary friends.
Do me a favor, people. Subscribe. Do it. Smash that like button just for that amazing interaction that we have with number 11. That may not apply to everybody unless that you are a pass holder. It will be this AP pass holder lounge. It opens from 11 to 4 o'clock daily. Guys, one thing I can tell you in this lounge, oh my God, it's so cool just to just hang out in there and relax when it's super hot. We do it all the time. We come over there, kids and I just sit down, we chill, and it's a good way to stay away from the heat. Alrighty, guys, so there you have it here from Universal Studios. I have sweat so much just making this video. The camera is actually really hot right now. Guys, I'm not lying. I mean, number one rule, and most importantly, stay hydrated. I kid you not. We've been drinking, I mean, water, and all that, and we still feel like we're being dehydrated at this
I feel
time.
like making this video is making people in the camera hot.
Yeah, it is extremely hot. Like I mentioned, now it's about, earlier was 97, now it's about 94, 95, and it's only 4:38. So it's just gonna get hotter as the summer progresses. I can tell you right now, stay hydrated, please, because one thing that we see as locals, we see a lot of people having heat strokes and literally passing out.
Two things that you really have to do. You have to eat and you have to stay hydrated. Because if not, those two, or the combination of the two, you're going to ruin your day.
Exactly. So we hope that this video actually helped you guys out. I know a lot of you come from out of state. Some of you come from dry weather, but trust me, Florida weather is an animal, a different animal on its own. The humidity is insane. But anyways, we hope we were able to help you. Sadly, this adventure has ended, but with that said, we got to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button. And turn on that bell for notifications.
Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Always remember to.
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
And say I'll see you guys next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
See ya.
Bye.